Now we will solve the problem number 25 from chapter survey book. Problem number 3 chapter from chapter 25. Problem number 3 from survey book. Okay. The problem is that the difference is the difference in potential between the accelerated plate. Okay, there is accelerated plate in the electronic gun of the television picture tube is about this is electron gun, and that is 25,000 volt, or you may write it in this way, 10 raised to power 3 volt. Okay, if the distance between the plate is okay, or distance between the plate, you may say that this is distance, or you may write that D is you may write as L or a D, that is 1.5 centimeter, mean 1.5 uh, 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. Okay. If this is, what is the magnitude of uniform electric field? Okay, we have to calculate what is the E. As we know that delta phi is equal to E dot dx, because dl. Okay, and because this plate is accelerated due to the distance in the plate is 1.5 centimeter, find the uniform electric field. Okay, potential difference is given. Okay, so that will be a parallel to each other, so that will be angle will be a 0. You may say that this will be a dl cos 0, that is 1. Okay, so E, you may write that will be a delta phi, or you may say that E is equal to delta phi over delta R. I mean distance between delta phi is 25 10 raised to power 3. Uh, uh, Distance is 1.5 10 raised to power minus 2. Easily calculate, we may write that 3, or we may write like 3 will minus 3. Okay, and that will become you may write as 15 or 10 raised to power 3. When 3 move toward the above, then that will become 6. Okay. 6, and that will be the so answer will be equal to 1.67 when 10 raised to power 6, because of this. Okay, so I may say that this is Newton per column, or you may say that the answer is 1.6 at so this will be the electric field. Okay.